What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. Adding up what we have been talking about lately, as we know, Chinese Communist Party attacking Uyghurs' way of life. In this video, I'm gonna talk about attack on Uyghurs in China. Recently reported by CBC, Chinese Communist Party have gone to our community to detain our people and take them to the concentration camp. And they lie, they call them re-education camp for extreme terrorists.
Cenguak balalar yengilmez yigitler pişansın tükülgen terler sanar meydan kahraman Sizilge küler can atlans anyurt kumansi Güllünler pis boldu kalbimiz önlük nakalar her kişi Bu yer futbol süyer makan bulup Asya'nın merkezi Tanrı tağda kayvet iradımız biz bu çımlakla
So here's the thing. And you guys are what? So how to eat the rat or how to eat the bat? In many of these centers, they show that the group of people, the group of children are taking dancing class, pretending like if there's nothing bad going on. As the professor also said on the interview with CBC, the Chinese told us that they have brought this extremist to this detention center. After investigating claimed it was found that all those people is not the terrorists, they're just normal people like you and me. All they do is they were Muslim before. They were Muslims, they prayed in public, they read the Quran. That's all they did. That's why they taken to the concentration camp. But they have been treated as a terrorist for their religion and the refusal to adhere to the Chinese Communist Party's motto of having no religions except the state. Professor Olsey also said that's actually a massive brainwash center, as described in George Orwell's 1984. This provides us a glimpse into very scary and dark nature of Chinese Communist Party's desire to suppress any form of divergency from obeying the state. They are afraid that if Uyghurs can able to preserve their own culture, there's gonna be high chance that Uyghurs can be rebellion against the state. And they want to squish all possibility of such occurrence. The arguments I will make today will sound a little bit more like conspiracy theory, but I'm 100% sure of the reality of what I'm about to say. The number of people in East Turkestan are holding concentration camp is about 3 million in population. American reporters are not allowed to step into the facilities that so-called re-education center. And I know many have heard about the recent coronavirus. Actually, the Chinese Communist Party hides the fact, hides the number who got infected. China always hides the real number of the deaths from the public because they have state-controlled media. And let's see, guys, and let's see, the time will prove everything. It's a virus spread because people eat bat, or the virus planned by Chinese Communist Party. We will know. Time will prove everything, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.